Welcome to our channel Study Track Consultants. In today's video, we will get to know about essential tips and tools for verifying the authenticity of immigration documents in Canada. Obtain documents from official sources. Educational credentials, employment letters, and civil documents, such as birth certificates and marriage licenses, should be obtained directly from the issuing institution or government authority. Use credential evaluation services wisely. Ensure that your international educational credentials are assessed by a designated organization that is a member of the Alliance of Credential Evaluation Services of Canada, ACSC, of which World Education Services, WES, is a member. Confirm employer references on company letterhead. Employment letters should be issued on official company letterhead, clearly stating your position, responsibilities, dates of employment, salary, and supervisor signature and contact information. Use trusted translation services. All documents not in English or French must be translated by certified translators. A certified translator is a member in good standing of a recognized professional translation association, whose certification is validated by a seal or stamp bearing its membership number. If the seal or stamp is in a language other than English or French, it must be accompanied by an official translation. Cross-check details. Minor discrepancies, such as spelling mistakes in names or mismatched dates, can indicate a problem. Double-check all information across documents for consistency before submission. If you notice discrepancies or mistakes in application documents, request corrected versions from the issuing authority. Keep originals. Always retain original versions of your documents. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, may need to see them even after the application is filed. For more information, please contact us on the phone number given on the screen. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel for more new updates.